Hey everybody, Aaron Blaise here, and I'm really excited to announce that we are going to be doing a new live web event. The event's going to take place on April 11th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. That's my time zone. And we're going to be covering an introduction to 2D animation. So I'm going to be going over the bouncing ball. I'm going to be going over the flour sack and flour sack attitudes. And I'm also going to be talking about dialogue and lip sync. It's going to be a lot of fun. Once again, it's going to be on April 11th. It's going to be a live web event, so no matter where you are in the world, you can attend it. Now, the other thing I want to announce, I know in April, most of us are still going to be stuck at home. We're all going through the coronavirus scare and separation. And so we want to let you know that normally the tickets we sell for these are about $50. It's a 6-hour class. And for the live event, they're usually about $50. Well, we're going to knock it down to $5. We want you guys to be able to attend. We know there's a lot of people stuck at home. You're not at work, and so we want to make it easy for everybody. So this is a 6-hour class, and it's perfect for young kids as well. If you want your kids to watch and have something for them to do for 6 hours, I can teach them how to animate, how to do a bouncing ball, how to do a flour sack, and we can show them how we do dialogue and animation. We might even get Dustin to come in and do some voices for us. It'll be a lot of fun. So once again, that's on April 11th, and it's going to be at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, some of you also are wondering, if you can't be there for that time zone, will you be able to watch it later? And the answer is yes. You'll be able to watch it anytime. You'll be able to download it, and it's yours to watch for forever. So, once again, it's going to be only $5 for 6 hours. It's an introduction to animation. We're going to have a lot of fun. April 11th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope to see you guys there. I hope you guys are staying safe. And like I say, put some beauty back into the world, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.